guys, today we are going to do literature reader chapter 2 Peter Pan. The first 3 pages, that are 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so let's start.
This is actually the list of extra questions which has been prepared. Okay, so you can start now.
Yes. Chapter Peter Pan is a short play. Peter Pan is a fictional character created by author. Who is Peter Pan? A boy who doesn't want to grow up. It is a fictional character created by author. Why is Peter Pan famous? Because he has always fascinated children and adults down the ages. Central character of this play. Or main or primary.
Primary. It means कि किसी भी फॉर्म में आ सकता है that who is the central character of this play, or who is the main character of this play, or who is the primary character of this play.
Okay.
So who is the main character in this play?
Peter Pan. How many brothers are there? Name them. 2 brothers, John and Michael. Where does the first scene open? In a nursery of Darling family. Who was there in nursery and what were they doing? There were three children sleeping in the nursery. What is going to happen in nursery? Something uncanny is going to happen in nursery.
Uncanny means
something mysterious or ordinary. Sorry, weird. Yeah.
Uncanny means mysterious or weird or strange.
Yeah. Dash passes through the room. It is quiver. Means a slight movement. Quiver passes through the room. How many times the light blink? And finally what happens? The light blinked 3 times and finally they went out.
Finally what happened?
Okay.
So if the question is in present, you will answer in present. If the question is in past, then you will answer in past.
The light blinked 3 times and finally they went out. What was the other light in nursery after the lights of the nursery went out? The other light was of Tinker Bell, the fairy. What was the other light doing in nursery? It was darting into drawers and the wardrobe. What was the light looking for? It was looking for a shadow. Whose shadow was it looking for? It was looking for Peter Pan's shadow. Who flew into the room from where? Peter Pan flew into the room from the window. How does Peter Pan look, or how is he dressed? He is dressed in autumn leaves and cobwebs. That is, he was dressed in unusual way. In unusual way. With what name Peter Pan calls the fairy? Think. How fairy answered Peter Pan's question with tinkle of bells. Do you know where they put it? What is it in these lines? It indicates the shadow of Peter Pan. Which big box? What is the big box exactly? It is exactly the chest of drawers. What did Peter Pan forget on finding his shadow? He forgot that he had shut Tink up inside the drawer.
So just a second, you can show this big box. Here it is written.
It is written on the page number 9, the second page of the chapter, here in the first paragraph.
Which big box?
Which big
So
box?
this big box was actually the chest of drawers,
Yeah.
means set of drawers, where Tinkerbell was finding Peter Pan's
Shadow.
Okay?
Okay, so let's. On finding his shadow, where did Peter Pan sit? On the floor. On finding his shadow, what was Peter Pan's attitude, or what was he expecting? He was confident that his shadow will join him like drops of water. How Peter Pan tried to stick his shadow? Answer: he was trying to stick his shadow with soap. Who was the girl? Wendy Darling, who was sleeping in the nursery. How was Wendy awakened? Wendy was awakened when Peter Pan tried to stick his shadow with soap from bathroom. When Wendy woke up, what did she think? What Peter Pan was doing? She thought that Peter Pan was crying. How Peter Pan and Wendy greeted each other? Answer is they bowed to each other. They bowed to each other courteously. What was Wendy's full name? Wendy Moira Angela Darling.
This, just show it here, it is written that they bowed to each other courteously. The important is that they bowed to each other, but bracket mein it is written courteously, so you can mention this in addition.
Yeah,
But
here
most
is written.
important is that it should be said that they bowed to each other. Bowed is more important.
The way in which they bowed is
Courteously.
courteously, and the meaning of courteously is respectfully. And Wendy's full name is written over here. Wendy Moira Angela Darling. The second last paragraph. When Peter Pan told his name to Wendy, why she felt sorry. She felt sorry on thinking that she might have hurt Peter Pan on saying that his name is too short. What address Peter Pan told to Wendy? Second to the right and then straight on till morning. What were Wendy's views about Peter Pan's address? She thought that it was a funny address. Did Peter Pan have a mother? No. How Wendy attached the shadow? She sewed Peter Pan's shadow. It awakens and is as glad to be back with Peter Pan as he is to have it. They dance together. He is showing off now. Who is it in these lines? Peter Pan's shadow. Who is he in these lines? Peter Pan. Who are they in these lines? Peter Pan and his shadow. So that's it, guys. We'll catch you soon for the remaining extra pages and
In the next
in the next video. Thank you.